Hello, welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday morning, so I missed yesterday. It wasn't that exciting, so it's fine. Got my tiny little stumpy ponytail. It has been, what, 5 days since I've gotten my hair cut. Still not used to it at all. I think I might go back and have her cut some shorter pieces, like face frame it a little bit more, because when it's down, it feels a little weird. We went for a walk this morning and I'm going to jump in the shower. My mom is here hanging out with Theo today so that I can get work done. So it's gonna be like a full work day. I've got bracelets to make and orders to get out. I want to film, hopefully, a couple of videos, but first I need to take a shower. I'm sitting in the living room. Wow, looking at this background is anxiety inducing. It's such a mess in here. So the shelves are still empty. We still have not sold them, although they are on Facebook to be sold. These toys are toys that he's kind of outgrown, so I'm going to put them in bins. I actually did a Target drive-through order that I need to pick up today for the bins so that I can put that away, and then also some of his clothes, which is so sad. My mom left, Theo's taking a second nap, and I just hit publish on a new Amazon video. So it's already live on my channel. I will link it up here if you are interested. I realized after the fact that I forgot to mention a couple of the products I wanted to mention, but that's okay. There will be more Amazon videos in the future. So now I'm going to sit down. I'm gonna find some sort of background to film my 1 year of Theo video, which is insane. I think I'm just gonna film it in here because the room that I normally film in is right next to the room that Theo's sleeping in, and I just don't want to feel like I'm like tiptoeing around to keep him sleeping. So I think we're gonna film in my office, but I just walked in here and I realized I did want to kind of update you guys as I go along with like this health journey I'm doing. So I just signed up for Noom, which I'm sure you've heard of. I signed up on, I think, Friday, and so now it's Tuesday, and there are just some other random things that I wanted to be doing for my health. So I decided to buy, I found this little pad, and it just has different goals that you can track for the week. So this is what it looks like. I like that you can kind of fill in whatever your goals are and then obviously cross it off as you go. And it's just sitting right on my desk, so every day I can see it and I'm reminded of the things that I have set out to do that I want to do. All of these are obviously different for different people, but I'll just tell you what mine are. So mine are take my vitamins, which I recently started taking a multivitamin and a probiotic, and then drink the amount of water that I've set out to drink, weigh in every morning, which is part of the Noom program that I'm doing, stay within my calories, which is also within the Noom program, and then get in my steps. I wasn't sure what my steps really even were every day, so I looked because I have an Apple Watch, so I looked at what my average was, and I am now trying to go for a walk with Theo every morning, which we did go for a walk this morning, and I'm hoping that that will help me get more steps in every day and just get a little bit of activity to start the day off. So that, I will link this little pad below because I think this is so helpful. There's a lot of pages and you only have to use one per week, obviously. So I feel like it's gonna help me stay on track, especially because it's a visual thing. I'm a sucker for to-do lists, so I love to cross things off. Okay, I'm gonna go and try and film while Theo's still sleeping. I just had to run up to the store and get those storage bins, and then I stopped at Kroger for some stuff for dinner tonight. Oh my gosh, it is so hot out. I think it hit 100. Thank you. But I did get those bins, so I'm going to pack up some of the toys. What do you think, dude? Should we pack up some of your toys? Look at, you're like surrounded by toys right now. You don't need any more, right? I can't remember if I showed you, but these are the 2 bins of toys that we're going to put away. First thing, I'm just gonna go through and make sure all the pieces are with each toy and that it's clean before I go away and store it. Who's that cute baby? Yeah, that's you, huh? to take the stuffed animals out of here and keep those out, but I'm gonna pull down all the stuff hanging and take the play gym apart and put that away because he doesn't use it anymore. We got so much use out of this though, like by far one of my favorite things that we ever had for him. I feel like folding this is like folding a fitted sheet. Alright, just like that, a year of toys being stored away. I love you. Testing this out. This is like reusable tape and it sticks to itself, but it doesn't stick to your products, so it doesn't get anything, doesn't leave residue. So I was thinking that would be perfect to store stuff like this that obviously we're gonna reuse and we don't want to be all grimy. So you just have to like stretch it and then overlap it on itself. Hey, I'm using this. Hey, I'm using this. I just did one on each side. I'll probably do one in the middle just because I don't know how long these are gonna be stored or where we're gonna put them. But yeah, it just comes on a roll and it's like plastic but not sticky. You're such a good vlogger. That's what it looks like once it's secured. Oh, not bad. I'll definitely hold. Hi friends! It is Wednesday morning and Theo's been pointing at the camera, so I figured we would check in. I've got a follow-up appointment on my skin today, which is why I don't have any makeup on. Yeah. And Jenna's coming over. She's gonna come over. We're gonna do some work and then she'll hang out with Theo while I go to my appointment, which hopefully will be pretty quick. I'm trying to remember where I left off, but I know I didn't vlog at all yesterday. Today is Friday. And our plans are changed around a little bit because Adam was supposed to be out of town this weekend, but his trip got canceled. So now he's here with us. We're gonna go over to my parents' house later tonight and watch the fireworks on their lake. And we have plans with friends tomorrow, swim class. Yeah, I'm gonna try and have a productive day. I have an appointment later this morning to get, I don't really know what it is. I think it's like a facial, but not. They're gonna do this treatment. I think it's called glacial, if I am right. But they're gonna do a few spot treatments to try and get rid of this pigment in those 3 areas, and then they're just gonna do the treatment on my whole face. So that is happening later this morning, but I wanted to file my nails down and I figured I would show them to you before I do. This is them before they're filed. Long nails just kill me. Like, I feel like I can't do anything with them, and especially making jewelry is really hard to do with them. So anyway, I will check in with you when I am done painting them. I'm just gonna file them right now and then I'll probably paint them in a while once Adam gets up. It is Friday afternoon. I don't think I showed you guys my nails. They're the same white that they were before, but we are headed over to my parents now. I went and got a facial earlier and I just threw a little bit of makeup on. They did make my spots, I'm wondering if you can see, a little bit darker because they did a little spot treatment to hopefully get the pigment to go away. So yeah, so they're a little bit pinker at the moment, but that should go away in the next couple of days. You're in for such a treat. Why are you eating that, dude? It's 12:30. I just got out of the shower. I am so tired. My eye is really bothering me. I don't know why. But we went on a long family walk this morning. It's just been a long weekend between the fireworks, going on the boat yesterday, being out in the heat, and yeah, swim lessons, like all the things. And so today we're kind of trying to prep for the week. Adam and Theo are grocery shopping right now, and I am going to try to tackle, there's a corner in this room that has been full of stuff that I bought during pregnancy, like clothes that I just never ended up wearing, and now they don't fit me. And I don't want to just hold on to them in case I'm pregnant again in the same season that I was last time. I have no idea when that's going to happen, so it just seems silly to hold on to things. I just need to get this little corner decluttered so that I don't have to have it be a mess in here anymore. I also need to fold clothes. My eye is really bothering me. I'm considering just taking my contacts out and wearing glasses today. Oh my gosh. My contact was folded in half in the corner of my eye. Wow, no wonder. I thought I was being dramatic by my eyes just bothering me, but holy cow, that was really annoying, and I just had to like dig it out of my eye. I do this thing in life where I think I'm being really dramatic, and so I try not to be, and then what is really happening is ridiculous. Like when I was in labor and assumed that being in pain and whatever just meant that, you know, I had maybe started dilating, but when I was like actually in full-blown labor and Theo's foot was starting to come out, like I just I don't know. Okay, I put it back in. We'll see. If it bothers me in a few minutes, I'm just gonna take them out for the day. I also kind of want to see what my hair looks like with waves in it. I have not put waves in it since I cut it. Anyway, that's not for this moment in time. Right now, I need to focus on this corner while the boys are still gone. This is what the corner looks like. So all of this is either clothing that I bought while I was pregnant that I didn't wear. Some of this is stuff that I did wear. Like these shorts, I love these and I want to put them in my bin for next time I'm pregnant because I have a size down right now that I'm currently wearing. Some of this is returns that just need to go back, random sandals. And then behind here, yeah, this is more stuff that I bought for pregnancy. So we just need to go through all of this. This shelf clearly needs help, so I'm going to put this organizer in there and see if we can make it look a little better. The lighting is not great in here, but this is the closet. This is the shelf that all of the stuff was on that I said I was going to put the organizer on. I ended up putting the organizer down here, so I have my duffels, totes, and then backpacks and belt bags here, and I just felt like those needed more separating because these just kind of flop down. And then up here, I already have that acrylic separator and I just have some of my smaller bags here. So I think that that worked out really well. Down here, I've still got some stuff to take care of. Those boots I still need to post. I did move my hamper over here. I think that makes more sense than being by the door because this is my closet system. So it's right next to all of my clothes. It is Monday and I'm pretty sure I didn't film anything today. I'm 99% sure that I didn't. It was just a crazy day, but I just tried out that new Fenty Beauty, what is it, like the Poutsicle? Yeah, in my type. I like it. It's a stain, so it doesn't rub off or transfer anything. And I like the color. I actually thought that I wasn't gonna like it as much as I do because I don't generally wear like bold lip colors, which this is, it's not super bold, but it's bold for me. So anyway, it's super comfortable. It's 7:30. I wanted to put it on after my day was done in case I hated it and I didn't have to live with it all day. I also did put some waves in my hair today. I have to play around with how to do it. Yeah, I'm not sold on these yet, but we'll see. Also, I don't think I showed you, I know I mentioned in the last vlog that we were selling the shelves in our living room. They're gone. And now it's empty in here. I still need to do the nightly toy pickup, but yeah, there was the shelf right there and then the other one on this side. We need to figure out what we're gonna do with all of these cords because that situation needs to be changed. We've kind of made a little barrier with toys so that Theo can't get over there. It's just giving us more room and less clutter in here, which is something that we desperately needed with all of these toys. I think the amount of toys and stuff is something that every first-time parent is shocked by, because I just wasn't expecting to have that many toys. They are taking over our house, and we don't live in a large house, and we don't have room for all of these toys. We already got rid of the coffee table because he kept bumping his head on it and it just wasn't making sense. He didn't have any room to roll around and crawl and stuff, so we got rid of that months ago. Now we're getting rid of our shelves. We're basically like getting rid of all of our furniture that we don't need. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.
You said that you needed me like a car